Blutbad.
Hello and welcome back to another behind the scenes toy photography video. This week I'm going to show you how I made a bar diorama for this photo, which I've entitled Tell Jabba We're Busy. I'll also show you how I edited the image in Photoshop. For this photo I used 6 figures from Hasbro's Star Wars The Black Series line. I've got Han Solo and Chewbacca, Jabba's Majordomo Bib Fortuna and Teeka the Jawa, and an Imperial officer and K2SO who I am using as a stand-in for an anonymous KX series droid. I started creating my bar scenario by using tea strainers and stone coasters to make some tables. Next, I inserted some LEDs into small chunks of Himalayan mountain salt to create some cozy looking lamps for my tables. For the doorway, I used a carved and painted piece of packing styrofoam, and for the back wall, I used a brand new disposable kitty litter container. I filled in the crack between the walls with various props, including a lantern flashlight I used as a barrel and some decorative moss. With the set complete, it was time to add my figures. While we never really see much of Han and Bib interacting, I always just assumed they would hate each other, or at least Han would hate Bib. So while Bib was just trying to do his job here, I have Han with his blaster out ready to make some threats so he can get back to his drinking with Chewie. I also covered the top right corner of my background TV with a scarf, but it seems to have fallen off without me noticing here. Next was editing, which was fairly straightforward. I began by adding my adjustment layers, which were levels, hue and saturation, and color balance. Then I used content-aware fill and the healing brush tool to remove all the articulation joints from my figures. Adding glowing eyes to my Jawa and KX droid was as easy as using a soft round brush tool to paint them in. After adding a vignette over top, I completed the image with some slight dodging on our main characters' faces. And here's the final image. Where we started, and where we ended up. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Until next time.